Good morning. This is Joe Peterson with MarineMax at Clearwater. We're here today to show you our beautiful 32-foot Vantage dual console. She's sitting in the water right now, powered up with the twin 350 Mercury Versatility joystick. Great power for the boat. And what a layout that they do on this boat. You have such a nice combination. This hull's capable of doing just about anything the family would desire. Offshore fishing, cruising with the family, water sports. Very large rear bench seat. You can sit 3 adults across. Also, you have your walk-through dive door on the port side, your transom door at the rear. This will be your bait station along with the refrigerator. You can see off to the port side you have a lounge seat that can convert into almost any position. You can have it as a chase lounge or as a fold down lounge seat. Up front you have your two-person bench seat that swivels around to socialize with the captain. Very ingenious idea on that. Off to the starboard side, very large flip-up bolster seat for the captain. As you can see, again, the joystick with not only just the joystick but also built in for the Mercury will be the skyhook and autopilot. Very large electronics panel to put just about anything that you should choose on the boat. This one actually comes equipped with front connectors and side curtains to fully button you up in an inclement day. On a day like today, you got the 2 hatches for ventilation. Really comfortable boat for the whole family to stay out of the sun but nice and cool. Very large area down below for a berth, if you should choose, that will fill in. Off to the starboard side, you have your private head, marine pump out. Looking forward, very large comfortable area for the whole family to lounge in sun. Again, there really isn't an area in this boat that wouldn't be so comfortable for the whole family or a couple families. Very large hardtop across. Whaler does it so nicely. The fit and finish underneath of the hardtop is everything you expect from as top line quality of a boat as a Boston Whaler. Unsinkable hull, best resale value in the business. If you'd like to see the boat, please contact Joe Peterson at MarineMax at Clearwater, 727-536-2628. Thank you. Have a great day.